So, welcome to the final concert of the first MIDI Scrapyard Challenge in Forress, Scotland. Welcome to our audience member, James Gibbs. Delighted to be here.
Yay!
For those who don't know James, he works in HI Marine, the building right over here. So, and he was involved in helping out the startup Distance Lab. So
Great.
it's a nice guy to have around. So I think the plan is we're going to each come up and demonstrate our instruments individually. And so what would be nice if you could say a little bit about how you built it, like where the pieces came from, if you remember that kind of thing, just for posterity's sake on the camera. And then after that process is done, I'll come up and play a little ensemble and see how it all sounds.
Yeah.
And this will all be recorded, and we'll make a DVD of it later, and give you each a copy, or send you a digital file or something like that at some stage. So yeah, that's it. And maybe when you come up, you can say like who you are, where you come from.
Yeah.
So does anybody want to go first? You want to go first?
Yay! All right.
Okay, wait, want to be here? The side?
Yeah, that's good.
I just must compose myself. Now, what's my motivation here?
Name.
Fame, glory.
My name's Colin. From a place about 20 miles from here, up in the hills. We don't have any technology, that kind of stuff. So I came to the workshop
No
to
roads,
see how to
no
work
doctors.
it. So basically, this is technological. What do I make it of? Well, scrap. And here, and it works like this.
Nice.
You getting the message yet?
S.
Nice.
O. S.
It also has, in its own time,
Getting the beat.
yeah, not only that, it's got a manual function.
Yeah, dig the manual.
Thank God for flexibility. Right. Somebody else.
Very good. Yeah.
My name is Michael Sharp. I'm from just down the road, towards the ocean from Dublin. Normally build houses, so this is a bit of a project. The idea was to make a set of electronic wind chimes, basically. And I'd like to take this a bit further and actually have five chimes, so that you have a pentatonic scale, so it doesn't matter what order they chime in, they'll sound good. Plus that over pentatonic scale. So are we the idea is that if you had it out in the wind, these would be blown against the contacts at the back and create a note.
There you go.
At the moment it's a bit erratic the way it swings. I have to modify it so it swings back and forth better.
You need some patch there that doesn't have a cutoff. Do you have any patches that sustain longer?
Not sustain.
Like an organ there.
Bell sound.
Needs work.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Well, that would be the ultimate sort of electronic.
Like an organ, yeah. Yeah, that would work.
Yeah, that's the thing. When each of you go up, you can request a particular sound. And Catherine
You all
will-
got bells, you got chimes.
Yeah, we got bells, yeah.
That was better.
Yeah, there you go.
That fits much better, huh?
It's kind of
Cool.
Very good.
Woo!
Okay. Well, there were two instruments here. Neither of them is extremely intricate. The first was a sort of speak and talk or speak and spell type of children's computer. You can sort of see the carcass of it there. And it's turned on. I mean, these are the buttons of it here. And it used to have its own speaker, but we disconnected its own speaker and connected that directly to the amplifier just to see what would happen. And it came out to be kind of funky sounding, distorted. Oops. I think I just turned it off. There we are. Rhythm in there.
Nice.
So you can imagine working that into the ensemble later. And this is the other instrument. And this was at first going to be a club to hit kind of a computer or some other sort of thing, sort of very kind of emotional thump. Actually, can I have like a drum patch for this?
Yeah.
So actually, the way this is built is, you know, some thrown out piece of. I'm going to turn that on. I'm not sure. This was just a thrown out tube, and then there's a piece of aluminum foil around it, and then some felt, little pieces of felt that have little holes in them, and then another piece of aluminum foil, so that when you hit it, it makes contact between the two layers, and you get a nice sound. And the nice thing is that can be used anywhere, so I could hit it there, or it doesn't work on my head, I guess.
Yeah.
So that's I don't know. That's it.
MIDI baton.
Yeah, could
Drum
some
and stick
police or
combined.
something like that.
Yeah.
Thank
Cool.
you.
Hi, I'm Gaynor. I live in Ness, and I've made a couple of very simple musical instruments. The first was taken from a toaster, and also I think this was from an electric doorbell. And so an example of So when you pull the toaster lever down to get the sound, and then when you let go, you should get the bell.
So it's analog and digital.
Yeah.
And the second one was made out of two orange juice bottle tops, each with a little switch. So I've put them together. I kind of tried to make them into things you could attach to your fingers, but it was easier to take them together and then you just press them. You got bells for these? Try this one, see how it sounds.
Yeah, that's good.
Good.
All right.
This is my first attempt.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Name?
My name's Caroline. I'm an artist. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm just quite pleased that it makes a noise.
Yeah.
Okay. That's very simple. Just turntable and aluminium foil, and that's basically it. This one. This was, I don't know, I was a bit more intrigued because this was metallic fabric, two pieces of that and some thrown away plastic just found lying around, and then they've got this conductive thread going around it, so when you press them together, very
Nice.
simple.
Yeah. Maracas. Woo.
Name's Ian. My little switch is called It Blows. It's made using a CPU cooling fan which blows a little sheet of tin foil onto a wire to make the connection.
Yeah, it does.
Something with a better sustain on there.
I can get it better. Look at that.
Oh, I see one over yours. There we, let me change that.
What does it say on your cup?
It says it blows, because that's what it does.
Yeah. Oh yeah, nice.
Thank you.
My name's John, and this is my vacuum clean system. This, I don't know, came from Scrapyard in Forress. Somebody else bought this, I don't know who it is. So this is sort of a wee walkabout thing. We can do the carpet at the same time. Get into play mode, shall we? I think it's got 7 switches. And it's got 2 potentiometers.
Yeah, that's great.
The Action Man head one I don't think is quite as neat. Gonna get a bit on him. Yep.
There you go.
Yeah.
Near the end, yeah. Near the very end of it. That's awesome.
I'll look forward to the full ensemble in
That's
only
great, yeah.
5 minutes time.
Yeah.
True potential of wash and vac will be revealed. I had to come now because I had to move it to one side. So that you can see.
Alright, here we go.
Action Man.
I know.
Right. My name's Louis and this is the Magic Monster Music Machine. It just creates sounds that you can do nothing at all. Oh, it's a shame for me.
You gotta move it. There you go. Yeah.
Not only that, but it's like a nice kind of centerpiece for your man. But it's a shame to touch so much.
How many notes?
2! Bit of a workout at the same time. Okay, cool.
Yeah, good job.
Natasha's. I don't know if you can actually see it here because the wire's a bit short. So anyway, Natasha built this water organ.
Yeah.
It's
really
basically got a cup of water, a bunch of wires stuck into it, and basically as you raise the water level by pushing one cup into the other, it should play musical notes.
Yeah.
Well, let me change the instrument on there.
It's rising.
This
Yeah, there you go. Nice.
So the cool thing is it's actually using the water as the conductor, which is really neat. Let's see, what else do we have here? We've got,
Tim's funny little man.
Oh, shoot.
ooh, that's not safe. Okay.
It's a little man at the front.
Little man. There we go. Yeah, this is Tim's little man, and it has it's basically a funny little guy attached to a motor. When you switch the motor on, he sort of dances around and plays music as he kind of scuffles around. Let me see if we can get him to run a bit more. Yeah. And what else do we have here? Gut.
Mouse.
A mouse. This was Natasha. Okay. And so this was what was this called?
I have
Was
no
it- did it have a
idea.
name?
Mighty Mouse.
Donnie, was it
It was
like
Donnie's, yeah. And I don't know if Donnie ever named it, but it's basically a mouse with the trackball, I think, was removed and covered in tinfoil. And then, you know, the wire actually replaced in the mouse. You can see it right there. So that when you kind of roll it around, it plays note. So it's kind of like the reverse mouse, if you will.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Is that it?
And we've got one more. Is this yours?
That was Donnie as well.
This is also nice. Okay. So this looks like another mouse-like contraption. And what you have here going on
Oh yeah, right.
is basically the underside of the mouse. Inside, the trackball has been replaced by a motor with a little piece of metal attached. And the motor is attached to a potentiometer that actually powers the motors. And then there are two wires connected so that when you power the motor sufficiently to send it spinning, it goes ahead and it plays a little note periodically.
Yeah, because it's too fast to actually hit it all the time, so it misses.
This is an odd little thing.
That's cool.
Okay. So I think that's
We can applaud in there.
everything.
Yeah.
Let's have a big thank you for
And now? Huh?
Okay, now it's time for the ensemble.
Yeah, so now we want everybody to get up on stage.